Real quick, I want to give an update regarding the fiberglass. So this kit has been built for, I think, about 2 years now. And it's been holding up very well. You know, I only drive it pretty much to car shows. I've only cruised around the city very briefly just to pull it out. But I'm very careful with it because it's fiberglass. You would think there's other fiberglass cars that manufacturers make that are on the road daily, every day, through all weather, storms, whatever. But those fiberglass cars are made out of a compound mixed with fiberglass. It's not just fiberglass. Fiberglass on its own is very fragile, very sensitive. You have to be careful. But those are usually like a polyurethane mix or blend of some sort. With this one, I learned a very expensive lesson, or time-consuming lesson. I allowed something to hit my rear bumper. I had some wheels and tires stacked up in my garage. You see that split right there, those cracks? So now I have to take that bumper off and fix it from the inside and do a repair and repaint that rear bumper. So that damage that I just spoke of, that's a little lesson learned. You know, you have to be real careful with fiberglass. If this was plastic, what you see from the factory, it would have flexed, it might have cracked the paint. But now I have to worry about that crack increasing over time. If any other impact occurs, then that crack can cause severe damage to this fiberglass. So you have to stop it kind of in its tracks. You have to drop that bumper, cut down past the crack, and then do a body filler from the inside, build it back up, and then you got to do the cosmetic parts on the outside. So it's just a little lesson learned there. You have to be careful with fiberglass, okay? That happened to me because I had some wheels and tires stacked up, and I stacked them wrong when they dropped inside of my garage. One of them bounced over and hit my car, and it did that damage. It could have been worse. I could have hit it way up here somewhere. That would have been 10 times worse. At least I can at least drop the bumper and do that repair myself. All right. So going back to the damage that I caused on the rear bumper and me being able to fix it myself, that's the advantage of taking the time and learning how to do something yourself. Surely you can, pay somebody to fix your car when you have cosmetic damage. But there is an advantage of taking the time, doing your research, learning, doing things yourself, because now I can fix that bodywork, that damage that I had caused. I can paint it. I can do all that, and so it's a benefit to just taking the time and learning. Money can be replaced, but time cannot. And for those who don't have the time to do that, there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm an advocate of learning a process and maintaining it yourself as far as you possibly can. It's not just about saving money, but it becomes more personal with your vehicle. And some people just have cars to just drive. Well, I have cars because I think they're a work of art, and it's very personal to me. And so I enjoy doing as much as I can myself.